Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's September 25th, 2019, about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm in Long Beach showing you our putrid sky here. These masses that we're supposed to believe are actually clouds. What a joke. Look at this. This stuff's been poured here, guys, by some vehicles that you probably can't see. I mean, I see some of the spraying vehicles, but there's something else dumping all this. Look at this. It's ridiculous. And then we got to listen to mainstream news, not tell the truth. That little Greta, I don't even want to go into that one. Running around lying, putting us in danger. You know, getting all the kids worked up about climate change, which they're causing. You're looking at it right here. All right, I had to show you this. I know we didn't grow up with clouds like this, because this is not clouds at all. Look at this. Yeah, look at that giant turd right there. Isn't that lovely? Thanks, guys. All right. Thanks for all you guys that are exposing this stuff too. All right, take care.